211-325. German Shepherd mix. She's a year and 10 months. Her down date's the 7. It says she was injured, so she was surrendered. I'm not sure. I don't see where she's injured. I've been trying to look, but I can't tell. Hi, babe. She's very friendly, very outgoing. Miss Photogenic. Yes, because you have a beautiful smile. Yes. She's putting up with all these noisy dogs around her and chowing down on treats. She's a very pretty girl. She's a good size too. She's medium size, not very big at all. Someone should have room for you, huh? Yes. If you're interested in getting her out of here, taking her on a walk, taking her to the dog park, please contact ACS. They will spay her and microchip her